In this video, I will show you how to do a multi-opening all of the same size. So for this process, we don't need to worry about the mat board size. It will create its own size. What we do is bring in a template. And from this template, we type in the opening size. So it might be 150 by 70. So we want, say, 6 openings, all the same size. What we do is we come across here to the openings tab, come down to array or manage array. From here it opens up a dialog box, number of shapes. So from here we can say 6, press enter, gives us 6 openings. If we want 9 openings, we press 9. You can change your rows and columns as desired. Spacing in the horizontal, let's just say 30, and in the width, let's say 30 as well. So once this has been created, we need to press done down the bottom. So now we have a single mat with 9 openings. If we want to double mat this, the long way would be select each one and double mat. The quick way would be to select all, so click and drag. From the box over here, change layer and process. Click second mat, the amount of reveal, press OK. Now everything's a double mat.